second class on imaginary number or complex number. Imaginary quantity. The square root of a negative real number is called an imaginary quantity or an imaginary number. For example, root 3, root minus 3, root minus 4, root minus 9 by 4, etc. are imaginary quantity. Theorem. If a and b are positive real number, then prove that root under minus a into root under minus b is equal to minus root under ab. Proof. Root under minus a is equal to root under minus 1 into a equal to root under minus 1 into root under a. Root under minus 1 is I and root a is equal to root a. And similarly root under minus b is equal to root under minus 1 into b equal to root under minus 1 into root under b. Root under minus 1 is equal to I and root b. Therefore, root under minus a into root under minus b is equal to a root a, I root a into I root b, I into I square, root under ab, I square is equal to minus 1, so is minus root under ab. Proved. Question number 1. Compute the following. First, root under minus 144 and second, root under minus 4 into root under minus 3 by 4 minus 9 by 4. Solution. First, root under minus 144 is equal to root under minus 1 into 144. Root under, this can be also written as root under minus 1 into root under 144. 144 is 12 or root under minus 1 is I. Second, root under minus 4 into root under minus 9 by 4. Root under minus 4 is equal to 2i or root under minus 9 by 4 is equal to 3i by 2. 2 और 2 cancel हो गया. 3i square. I square is minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. And now is complex number. Now is complex number. If a and b are any two real numbers, then a number of the form a plus ib is called a complex number, and it is denoted by z. That is, z is equal to a plus ib. A equal to real part of z or b equal to imaginary part of z. Example, 7 plus 2i minus 1 plus I, 3 minus 2i, etc. are the example of complex number. Conjugate of z is written as z to the power minus bar, z minus z to the power bar. Let z is equal to a plus ib be a complex number, then the conjugate of z is denoted by z per line and is equal to a minus ib. If z is equal to a plus ib, then conjugate of z is equal to a minus ib. Modulus of z. is written as this. If a complex number z is equal to a plus ib is denoted by mod of z and is defined as mod of z is equal to root under a square plus b square. For example, if z1 is equal to 3 minus 4i, then modulus of z1 is equal to root under 3a square plus minus 4 to the power whole 2. So is 9, 16, 25, 25 square root of 25 is equal to 5. Reciprocal of complex number. Let z is equal to a plus ib be the non-zero complex number, then reciprocal of z is denoted by 1 by z is equal to 1 by a plus ib. Rationalizing this by the opposite sign, a minus ib bata a minus ib. So a minus ib by a plus ib into a minus ib is equal to a square plus b square. Separate this, a by a square plus b square plus minus b by a square plus b square into I. 1 by z is equal to the multiplicative inverse of z. That is, reciprocal of z is a multiplicative inverse of z. Last, this chapter is end. Next is on next class.